me a minute and I'll show you how I'm going to generate 6 ad copies in just 2 clicks. I'm just going to go on this extensions, Pabbly Connect Webhooks, and click on this send all data. Now automatically ad copies for all of these product services will be generated and added right over here. As you can see in this spreadsheet, I have the detail of the product service, industry, target audience, key benefits, offer, and the call to action. And now you can see using the same details, the ad copies are generated and it is very accurate. Over here it was offer of 20% and it is mentioned 20%. You can see all the ad copies generated are very accurate and to the point, which we have mentioned right over here. And it just took me 2 to 3 seconds to write 6 ad copies. And do you think that someone is sitting at the back end and doing this manually? No, this process is entirely automated. Hello all, welcome back to Pabbly, and in this video I'll show you how you can also write high converting ad copies with Gemini AI in just 2 clicks. You can also generate multiple ad copies. So let's see how to do this. To do this, you just have to open your workflow built inside Pabbly Connect if you are an existing user like me. But if you are a new user, open a new tab and search for pabbly.com/connect in your browser and open the landing page of Pabbly Connect. In the top right corner, you're going to see the option of sign up for free. So click on this sign up for free and you can get a free trial of Pabbly Connect. Once you try Pabbly Connect and if you like it, you can move on further and purchase the subscription plan of Pabbly Connect. And for that, we have a special discount coupon code just for you, which is attached right over here. This discount coupon code can get you a very heavy discount on the subscription plan of Pabbly Connect. And right now, I can bet that this discount coupon code is going to get you the maximum amount of discount on the subscription plan of Pabbly Connect in comparison towards the another discount coupon codes. So don't forget to check this RITYT once, okay? So now first I'll suggest you try Pabbly Connect, and then if you like it, you can move on further and purchase the subscription plan using this amazing discount coupon code. So in order to try this, you should know how to create this automation, and for that you have to watch this tutorial till the end. So open your workflow builder because this is the most important window of our automation today. Once you open this, just click on this add trigger button. For the trigger application, select it as Google Sheets. For the event, select it as new or updated spreadsheet row and click on this connect. You're going to receive the webhook URL, so just copy the webhook URL and open your spreadsheet. Go on this extensions, add-ons, and then towards this get add-ons. Now you have to add an extension in the spreadsheet which is named Pabbly Connect Webhooks. So go on this search apps and search for Pabbly Connect Webhooks and make sure to install this extension right over here. I have already installed this extension, so I am good to go. After you install this extension, you have to go on this extensions and you're going to see the option of this Pabbly Connect Webhooks. If you don't see this option, just refresh your spreadsheet and the option will appear. Once you see this option, go on this Pabbly Connect Webhooks and then towards this initial setup. After you come on this initial setup, it is going to ask you for the webhook URL and the trigger column. So simply paste the webhook URL which you copied from the workflow and enter the trigger column right over here of your choice. So I want to send these 6 details towards my workflow, so my trigger column is F, so I'm just going to enter F right over here. If your trigger column is E, this means that you want to send 5 details and so on. Your trigger column will be according to your own spreadsheet. After you enter the webhook URL and the trigger column, click on this submit, and over here it is saying setup configured successfully. This means that we have created a connection between Google Sheets and Pabbly Connect, but it is still saying waiting for webhook response. So in order to capture this webhook response, just click on this send test and you're going to see it is saying test data sent successfully. So let's send this first row as the test data towards my workflow, and Pabbly is going to capture the response for the same. And once we capture this response, this is the proof of successful connection between Google Sheets and Pabbly Connect. After we capture this response, as you can see, here's the first row. So I'm just going to generate the ad copy for the same, and then we're just going to learn how to generate it in bulk. Okay, so now let's just go back towards our workflow. In order to generate this, I'm just going to use Gemini. So click on this add new action step, search for Gemini, and over here select Gemini. For the event, you have to select it as generate content and click on this connect. Now if you have already created a connection between Gemini and Pabbly Connect, then click on this select existing connection and then save. But if you haven't, follow me, click on add a new connection, and it is asking for the API key. So to get this API key, just go on your Google AI Studio. You're going to find the link in the hypertext. Just click click on this Google AI Studio and this window will open. From the left hand of the side, go on this Get API Key and then Create API Key, name your key, select the project and click on this Create Key button. Your key will be created, so you just have to copy the key and paste it right over here in your workflow like this. I've already entered this key, so I'm just going to go on the Select Existing Connection and then Save. You just have to paste the key, click on the Save and you will be over here on this window. Now it is asking for the text, which is the prompt using which we're going to generate the ad copy. So I'm just going to simply copy the prompt from my previous workflow. As you can see that this is the prompt, so I'm just going to simply copy and paste it right over here. And as you can see, we have successfully pasted the prompt, and in this prompt I'm just going to simply enter the details which we received from the spreadsheet. But over is the thing that you don't have to enter these details manually by tapping it like this, but instead you have to map it. So you must be wondering, what is mapping? So mapping is a method by Pabbly which means inserting the data from the previous step. And when we insert the data from the previous step, automatically our data becomes dynamic and changes with every new response received. So one by one I'm just going to map these details. In order to map these details, just put a slash and then search for the details which you wish to map and map it like this. As you can see, I have to map this target audience, so I'm just going to delete this and I'm just going to put a slash, search for target audience and map the target audience right over here. Apart from that, I'll just let you know that if you also want this prompt, just comment prompt and I'm just going to share this amazing prompt with you. You just have to comment prompt and I'm just going to share this prompt which you can also use for your own business to generate the ad copies. I'll just let you know that I've entered this prompt according to my business needs and requirements. You can enter it according to yours. Okay, and now as you can see that I've successfully mapped all the details right over here, and now I am good to go. Over here it is asking for the models. I've selected it as Gemini 2.5 Flash. You can change it according to your own choice. For the method, I'm just going to select it as Generate Content and click on the Save and Send Test Request button. It is going to generate me the ad copy right over here. As you can see that we have successfully received the ad copy right over here as the response. And once we have received this ad copy, we are just going to simply add it right over here in my spreadsheet. Okay, so to do this, I'm just going to go back, click on this Add New Action step. For the action application, select it as Google Sheets. For the event, select it as Update Cell Value and then simply select this Connect button. Now after clicking on this Connect button, again you have two options: add a new connection and then sign in with Google. If you have to create a new connection, choose the Gmail account with the help of which you want to create this connection. Pabbly is going to ask you for some permissions. Click on this Allow, give Pabbly all the permissions because your data is 100% safe with us. Now Google Sheets is connected with Pabbly Connect and it's asking me to select the spreadsheet, so I'm just going to choose my spreadsheet, which is AI ad copy generator. Now it is asking me to select the sheet, so I'm just going to select the sheet and it is asking for the range and the value. So in order to enter the range, you have to enter the column name plus the row index. So the column name is G right over here and the row index is 2. So I'm just going to enter G2, but right now it is G2, but with every new response it will change. It will be G3, G4, G5, G6, G7 and so on, but you can notice that this G will remain constant, only the row will change. So what I'm just going to do is I'm just going to keep this G as entered manually, which is static, and put a slash and map the row index because this is going to change. For the value, I'm just going to put a slash and map this ad copy generated by Gemini and click on the Save and Send Test Request, and you're going to see we have received the positive response right over here that we have successfully updated this cell value. So let me open my spreadsheet and you can see it is updated right over here. Now you can see that we have successfully generated the ad copy, but we have only generated a single ad copy over here. I want to generate all the ad copies together, so for that you have to go on this extensions, Pabbly Connect Webhooks, click on this Send All Data. Now all of this data will be sent towards your workflow and it is going to generate you the ad copy using Gemini, and automatically the ad copy will be added right over here. Like I showed in the starting of this video, you don't have to do anything, just sit back and relax, and within some seconds the ad copies will be generated and added right over here like this. And as you can see, if you want that whenever you add the new details, the ad copy for the same should also be generated, then go on this extensions, Pabbly Connect Webhooks, and make sure to switch on this button which is Send On Event. I'll just let you know how. So let me just delete this row first, and what I'm just going to do is I'm just going to simply enter the new details right over here, and now you can see this button is switched on. Okay, so let me just enter these details right over here, and as you can see we have successfully entered the details. Now the ad copy for the same will also be generated and added right over here because this button was switched on, which was Send On Event, and as you can see it is generated and added right over here. And with this we have successfully learned how to write high converting ad copies with Gemini AI and add it in our spreadsheet without any manual efforts. So go and try this amazing automation yourself. yourself involved. And if you have any questions related to the video or the workflow, you can directly drop them in the comment section below. The workflow URL of this workflow is attached in the description box below, also the discount coupon code. I will just let you know that this discount coupon code is going to give you the maximum amount of discount for a limited period of time only. And now go and try Pabbly Connect. If you like it, don't forget to purchase the subscription plan. See you in the next video with many more automation tips, everyone. Thank you for watching. So not only this, but you can connect many more applications using Pabbly Connect. So now if you have any doubts related to pricing, you can follow this link. If you have any doubts or queries related to sales, you can email us at sales@pabbly.com. Both this link and this email address is attached in the description box below. You can check it out. I'll suggest you connect and integrate your favorite applications today, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect.